In this very video, I'm going to be revealing to you a free AI website that we can use to create image to video, text to video, and a lot more for absolutely free, guys. This website, it is absolutely free to make use of. It's very important to watch this very video from the beginning to the end to get a full understanding on how this website actually work, guys. I make use of this website a lot and I really love this website so much, and it is also like it is absolutely free to make use of this website. And this website has a lot of feature, like a lot of advanced feature that's being paid for in another website. But on this website it is totally free. Okay, the name of this website, it is called FAR, guys. FAR, guys, you can say free online AI image generation, uh, video generation, and a lot more, guys. Like a lot more, guys, which we are still going to cover in this video. I might not be able to cover all the feature that this website has, but at least I'm going to cover the basic the basic feature that we all need right there. Okay, you can see right there, you can use this website right now to generate a tattoo. You can use this website to generate a company logo, like a lot of things. You can use this website to generate an anime character, to generate a tattoo, product photo, wallpaper. You can use this website to remove a background, a product background, and a lot more, guys. You can see what is Faga. You can see image generating, text to video, and a lot more. Guys, I'm very sorry the way I constructed some sentence, but just try and get me right there. You can see right now these are some tools. You can see background tool. We have AI background changer, AI background remover. We have text to image generator. You can see right now image generator. Like we have a lot of things. You can see professional headshot for LinkedIn and some other for other social media. You can see generate image from text right now. So let's test the first feature right now that all of us need, like most of the people make use of right now, which is text to image right now. And one thing you need to know is you can generate unlimited image with this website. Like you can generate unlimited image with this website for absolutely free. Like for absolutely free, you can generate up to 100 image in a day right now. This is a an idea prompt I get from this website, and I use it to generate this right now. You can see a Japanese house right there. You can see how awesome and how realistic it is right now. So let's assume that we want to create something from our idea, we want to create something from our text right now. So we just need to input the prompt into this section right now. What I'm giving it right now, I say create an image of a popular. Basically, I want to create an image of Mr. Beast, and let's see, maybe it's going to get the face of this person. Like maybe it's going to get the face of this person. Basically, I've used this website a lot, and this website was, if you give it the right prompt, it's going to generate image of anybody. What this website actually need is the right prompt. Like that is all. You just need to input the right prompt, and it's going to give you the result, guys. That's what this website need. You need to input the right prompt, and it's going to give you a good result, guys. You can see. So I'm typing it right now. Create an image of a popular YouTuber, something like that, and Mr. Beast, whose name is Jimmy Donaldson. So, let's just wait for this. Let's wait for a few minutes. Let's wait for. This is what it generated for me, but it's because of the prompt I gave it. And after I changed the prompt and look at what it gave me, but this person right there does not look like Mr. Beast. Like it doesn't look like Mr. Beast at least, but we're able to generate something. But what this website need once again is the right prompt. You just need to put in the right prompt, and it's going to give us a good, like what we need right now. So I'm giving it another prompt right now. Create an image of a President Donald Trump in a Disney pixel style. That's what I want to give it, in a Disney pixel style. And let's wait for the result right there. Let's wait for the results, and let's click on generate, and we can also change the aspect ratio to 16:9. You can see right now that this website, we just need to give it the right prompt. It's going to give us what we want right there. Okay, so we have done with testing test to image. Let's test image to image right now. Let's see how it works. This works like, if an image is in anime style, you want to change it to pixel style or to Ghibli style, you can use this function right now, which is image to image. I really love it so much. Basically, it generates another, like, basically, I don't know what that's called, but it generates something else entirely for me. Okay, so let's test contest editor. We have contest editor right there. Like, we just have a lot of tools that you guys can just go and test it out right there. Okay, guys, so I want to be stopping this very video at this point, and I don't want this video to be very lengthy. This website is awesome. The name of this website is called FAR. You can do a lot of things with it, like a lot of things with it. You can generate consistent facial identity. You can use it to generate consistent character, Ghibli style, uh, compressed file. Like, this website just has a lot of feature. And one thing you need to know is, you don't need to log in before you can start using this website. This website, you don't need to log in. Just go and try it out and thank me later. And guys, I'll be stopping this very video at this point. Thank you very much for watching. If you get value for this video, kindly give me a like and follow me. Thank you very much for watching. I love you all. Bye for now, guys.